So today we're gonna be unboxing something so cute. So before anything, I have a little challenge for you. So can you subscribe and like in 5 seconds with your third finger? Okay, in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. If you did that in 5 seconds, then give a pat on your back. Now let's actually get started. So
If you're asking I'm keeping.
I think you have more stuff than me. How many do you have?
I'm not gonna tell you later.
Oh, I have more
later.
stuff than you. Okay, now we're gonna show you this thing that keeps on making sounds, please.
Yep.
This little guy is
It's a
making sounds.
puppy.
It's a cute.
We bought him today from Fantasy World, and if you don't know
Make
what's
sure to buy it, guys. It's so adorable.
Yep, exactly. And if you don't know what's Fantasy World, it's
A shop.
store. It's a store.
Oh,
That's so cool.
wait. When I press here, wait. When I press here, that's cool.
Ow!
We didn't know that button. Okay.
So you could put
Okay.
this.
First, we're gonna show you the button. Yeah, this bandage. Oops. I'm
No
sorry.
teeth.
Okay. Here we have like a button from her head. It makes actually different stuff.
And it sings. Now she's crying. Wait. Make her like this. No, like this. Wait.
Oh, wait. Wait, I want to hear the music.
The matter.
And wait, when you make her like this in her head, she
Like
does something. That's so fun. Okay. And here.
My turn.
Wait, I'm still going to show the rest of the buttons. And there's
Sing
here a
ow.
button in her leg.
Woof woof.
And there's a button here. And that's all the buttons, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Now
now
this little thingy thing.
put it on my leg.
Okay.
This is like this collar that
I'm
you
gonna
put sometimes
After I
for
put-
pets.
Gonna.
I was just about to say a word with Arabic. That's why I didn't. Because me and my sister kept on fighting because that. She's so annoyed because I keep on saying words with Arabic. And we kept on pausing and pausing and pausing and pausing and pausing and pausing.
Wait, you puppy. Yep. Lie down.
There we go. Now we're done. Now get it out of the way, please. Now I'm going to show you the next thing. Can you hear it done? Okay. I want you to guess what's in my hand. So, I'm going to pause the video now. And I want you guys to think of that. So, I'm going to pause it for like maybe like 40 seconds. Okay? So, think good.
Love you, my
What
kitty.
could be in my hand? Time's up, guys. If you thought what's in my hand, it's a shot. But it's a cute shot. Look, it's a shape of a heart.
And look, we forgot to show you one of the buttons. It's here. Look, and you use it so you could give her the shot.
Yeah, so like that. Wait, I'm gonna show you here. And then you put it like that.
See?
That's cool. It's a cute.
Next thing. Oh.
Hey, that's in my part. Oops. Yeah, it's cute.
So, next thing really is this.
Look what it does.
You put
It's something
this on
so
your
nice.
ear.
And then you put it on her stomach. Or
could
in
you
her
hold
mouth.
this like this for me?
Yeah. Okay, sure, sis.
So,
Gotta show
like
you
this,
guys.
and then you put it. She talks.
That's so
really cute. She's telling you, I am really cute.
She is really cute. I like you.
Like you see.
There's the music from her head. Wait, let them
I'm
hear
not
the music.
I'm not gonna do that.
I like that music. It's fun.
And she said, "You're making me feel better."
That's so fun. I like that music.
How are you?
We're fine, thank you.
Next thing, please.
We're fine, thank you.
Next
And
thing,
we love you
please.
too. Oh, okay. And
What does this?
another thing is this bag. It's so cute. We didn't know that bag was even there, and it had this in it.
No.
We thought, yes,
With it.
it had this in it.
No.
Inside.
Just
Really?
some papers.
But that was so cute. We even didn't thought, but we saw that in the box.
My mom saw it, really?
Yes, but we really didn't think it's even there. But it was actually there, and we were surprised.
And you could even put your doctor stuff inside.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put all the stuff that we showed inside here.
Take this.
Okay, the shot, because we have an emergency here. We need to go and solve a patient because we are
You need to wear that on your neck.
I know that. No need to.
Now you show your stuff, Laura, until I cut those ugly parts in her house.
Okay. Achoo! She's telling you, achoo! Don't get close from me. I'm too sick. And it's this bandage, like, look. When I press her leg. Wait. Sometimes she says when I press her leg, she says, ouch, that hurts. So I put her the bandage.
Here.
So I put her the bandage.
Or in here. Oh, from here, I think, Laura. Try it.
So I put her the bandage. And voila.
I don't know. Show them your other stuff.
And also there's this bone. I don't know if she eats it. Come on,
She doesn't.
Eat it, eat it, eat it up. Eat it up.
Be careful so you don't break her. She's still brand new. We brought her today, Laura. And right now.
Eat up. Oh yeah, you want a bone? And this is for her ear.
Whoa.
And for ear. It's a voice.
Yeah.
So those are all the stuff I think there is in. Oh yeah, there's some more stuff. Wait and see.
One more thing.
Exactly. I'm gonna put all the stuff here. La la la. La la la. La la la. So everything in this is in this doctor stuff. I mean in this doctor bag.
This is her only.
Cutie pie, I love you. My favorite.
I hope my brother doesn't.
You have a cold, my little sweetie. I need to check on you. And right now.
Bring your items. I mean our items.
I have a runny nose.
A runny
An
nose?
injection will help.
Try here. Cause she.
I feel a bit under the weather. I've got a cold.
I knew it. She had a cold. She needs an injection.
An injection is this thing you. This one. No, this is a shot. I don't know what's an injection, guys. Let's
Are you now better? Oh.
Are you playing with her till I
I'm
finish?
really cute. Cute, so cute.
Of course
Yes,
you are so cute.
So cute.
I would like to have a checkup. Could you help me, please?
Of course. Okay, guys. Are you ready to see this? I hope you like it. Ta-da-rum, ta-da-rum, ta-da-rum.
It's a house.
It's a house. Actually, it's like a cardboard box, but we didn't make it. It actually came with the box. You know, it has to be in something. But that's so adorable. So, guys, we're gonna organize everything in our house, and then we're gonna come back. So we're gonna pause now. Bye. So, guys, we came back with
We
all
organized
the
everything.
stuff organized. We
And
put
everything
here.
is in the bag. And
And here's the puppy.
here's the puppy. We just put her on this this cast.
Oh, we forgot to actually show you the house. So pick up the stuff.
No, we showed them the house.
Yeah?
I swear.
Oh yeah.
Crazy, crazy.
So if you guys loved this video, and make sure
wait a second, give me the poppy.
to buy this
Poppy.
little poppy.
Poppy.
And
Wait.
also,
Before you end the video, look from down. Look.
you can actually put her on and off.
Shush. Now she's opening her eyes, right? You go down. You're gonna find this button. This one. You make it like this, and it's not making any sounds, and it like closes its eyes. Wait.
A little, maybe.
Close your eyes, little sweetie.
Maybe you did it on. Like this, you did it on. Like this is off.
Now it's off, but it's sometimes closes its eyes. Sometimes
No,
opens
when
its
it gets
eyes.
in the middle, it closes its eyes.
Oh yeah.
And that's sort of. So, can
I
you
don't
push a
hear.
little so I can. So, guys, if you like this video,
Video,
make sure to
you
give a big
big
thumbs
thumbs
up and
Subscribe.
and subscribe. You need to subscribe.
Back for a second.
And subscribe for this cute, adorable puppy.
Yep. And make sure you buy it. It's so
Adorable. It's in Fantasy World. Bye. If
And
you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and we're gonna see you all next time. Goodbye.
Don't forget to
Oh,
subscribe.
and if you like this video, subscribe. Bye.